Omaha is no stranger to immigration concerns. Earlier this year, immigration agents detained over 70 people at Glen Valley Foods.
Today, one of the women detained was granted release on bond by a federal judge. 2 weeks ago, an immigration judge granted her release, but ICE issued an automatic stay which kept her from leaving.
KATV News Watch 7's Madison Perales was at that hearing. She walks us through what happened.
Bill Quinicia, Maria Jacinto Reynosa was in federal court today. The end result was a win for her and her 19-year-old daughter. At the tail end of the hearing, the judge asked ICE to bring all detainees in the same situation as her to court because he says his stance won't change.
What we heard from the bench today was a message to ICE and the U.S. Attorney that even the court understands that these due process violations should not continue.
The court found 16 detainees were granted release on bond, but still remain in ICE detention in Lincoln County Jail's detention facility in North Platte.
We're hopeful that we can help the 16 individuals that the government mentioned today and everyone else who has been subjected to this change.
Nebraska ACLU's Executive Director Mindy Rush Chipman says this hearing was a part of the national group's pending class action lawsuit.
Once the class is certified, the Nebraskans who are subjected to the same unlawful detention will have relief.
The hearing Tuesday was for Maria Jacinto Reynosa. She was detained during the Glen Valley Foods raid.
The judge on the bench today ruled that her detention was unlawful, there was due process violations, and that should be remedied as soon as possible.
Reynosa is a single mother, and her 19-year-old daughter and only child attended the hearing.
This is the first time that they've ever been separated in her daughter's life. And so we feel that they are going to have hope. They're going to be reunited as soon as possible, and we cannot wait for that moment.
Reynosa missed her child's birthday, but now that time apart is over.
We are grateful for our client and her daughter that they're going to be reunited shortly.
Chipman says the automatic stay is rarely used, but the switch has been flipped.
This guidance is basically directing ICE agents and attorneys that are representing ICE to subject everyone, almost everyone, to mandatory detention, which is something different than the past 30 years of practice.
Now, ACLU said in court today Reynosa has no known felonies or misdemeanors. Until her bond is submitted, she waits in Potawatomi County Jail's detention facility and is seeking immigration status that will qualify her for the status. Back to you.
Madison, thank you.